In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity to enhance your searches and organize your inquiries like a pro. Whether you're looking for the latest in technology, researching financial trends, or exploring cultural topics, Perplexity offers a unique way to navigate and compile insights. Let's dive right in. First off, open your favorite browser and head to perplexity.ai. If you already have an account, simply click Login. If not, take a moment to set one up by clicking Sign Up. This will ensure you can make the most of Perplexity's robust features tailored specifically to your interests and needs. Once you're logged in on the Home tab, you'll notice a search bar right in the center. This is where you can type in any question or topic you're curious about. Maybe you're looking to learn more about a new scientific discovery or the latest tech gadget. Hit Enter and watch as Perplexity generates a well-crafted, AI-powered response just for you. Found the answer intriguing, but need a little more detail or clarification? Use the follow-up button to refine your question or provide additional context for even more tailored information. Next, let's explore what Perplexity's Discover feature has to offer. Clicking the Discover icon on the left menu opens up a world of trending topics. Here, you can browse content that's categorized into sections like tech and science, finance, arts and culture, sports, and entertainment. It's a fantastic way to stay informed about the topics that align with your interests. Plus, you can tailor this experience further by clicking the Save Interests button after you've selected your preferred content. This customization ensures that your Discover feed is as unique as your curiosities. Now, a powerful feature you'll want to utilize is Spaces. Click on Spaces from the left menu and create a new space, maybe something like AI research or marketing ideas. Give it a name that corresponds with your interest or project. Inside these spaces, you can neatly organize your searches and articles for easy reference later on. It's a brilliant tool for anyone managing multiple topics or projects. We can't overlook the importance of personalizing your experience, so head over to your account in the lower left menu. Here, you can update your profile picture, change your name, and adjust preferences to suit your needs. Also, don't forget to check your notification and privacy settings to ensure everything is set up just how you like it. If you're someone who craves additional features, consider checking out Perplexity Pro. By clicking Upgrade in the left menu, you can review what Perplexity Pro offers, including benefits like faster response times and more Copilot uses. It's absolutely fine to take your time deciding whether this is the right step for you. Finally, for seamless on-the-go access, install the Perplexity app. Simply click Install at the bottom left and follow the instructions for installation on your desktop or as a browser app. This will make sure you have quick access to Perplexity whenever you need it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your productivity with Perplexity, bringing clarity to your inquiries in an organized and streamlined manner. Happy exploring!